Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at a list method, remove. So let's just jump into it. So new list range 10, close that out, print new, run that. So alright, here's our list. Help dot new. Actually, let's just look at it. And we do new. So here we go. List. Let's see if I. Oops, I'm sorry. Remove. Cool. There we go. Remove. Now let's look and see what it does. New dot remove. So okay. It wants the value, so we call the method and we give the value, and if the value is not there, it raises an error. So let's say we run this and we see that 3 is not here. So this is exactly how you'd use it. So we'd go new dot remove 3, and then let's put a space, print new again. Alright, let's run this. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 0, 1, 2, 4. And again, this gets the value. And that, it does not do the index. It is not the index. It is the value. So you can actually go in, put in the item, and remove that from whichever list you run the remove method on. So cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, because we have videos coming out every single day and I don't want you missing a thing. And next video we're gonna do something pretty cool. So alright, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.